Welcome to VD Education. In today's video, we will exploring the fascinating world of UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, from majestic Taj Mahal to the ancient ruins of Hampi and the stunning Kaziranga National Park. What makes these sites so special? Why did UNESCO recognize them? And how they reflect India's rich architecture and cultural legacy? Stay tuned to find out. As of 2024, India has total of 43 UNESCO World Heritage Sites characterized into 35 cultural sites, 7 natural sites and 1 mixed site. So starting with 1983 में टोटल 4 साइट्स को सिलेक्ट किया गया था इंडिया में फॉर यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट, दैट इज़ आगरा फोर्ट, अजंता केव्स, एलोरा केव्स एंड ताजमहल. So our first site is Agra Fort. Built in 1565 by Mughal Emperor Akbar, later modified by the Shah Jahan, and the main architecture feature is a red sandstone. Notable structure includes Jahangir Palace, Diwani Khas, and Moti Masjid, served as the main residence of the Mughal Emperor before the Delhi. So second site is a Ajanta Cave, built between 2nd century BCE and 6th century EC. Features 30 rock-cut cave with monastery and prayer halls, renowned for its intricate murals and sculptures. Also showcase ancient Indian art, spirituality and craftsmanship. Third site is Ellora Caves, located in Maharashtra, built between 6th to 10th centuries by Rashtrakuta and Yadava rules. Features 34 rock-cut caves, including Hindu, Buddhist and Jain temples. Home to the magnificent Kailash temple, carved from a single rock cut. This is also showcase Indian rich religious and architecture heritage. Fourth and last site in 1983 is Taj Mahal, located in Agra, UP, built in 1632 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. This is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture, blending Persian, Indian and Islamic architecture style. Also features white marble dome, intricate inlay work and symmetrical garden. In 1984, there are 2 sites. First one is a Sun Temple, Konark, Odisha, and second one is a group of monument at Mahabalipuram. Sun Temple, Konark, located in Odisha, built in the 13th century by King Narasimha Deva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. This is designed as a gigantic chariot of the sun god, as a Surya, with 24 integrated carved wheels. This temple features detailed sculptures, mythological depiction, and erotic carving. Sixth site is group of monument at Mahabalipuram. This is built by the Pallava dynasty in 7th to 8th centuries. Features rock-cut temple, monolithic rathas and carved sanctuaries. Notable site includes Sword Temple, Arjuna's Penance and Pancharatha temples. Also showcases Dravidian architecture and Hindu mythological depiction in their temple. In year 1985, India में टोटल 3 साइट्स को यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट एज अ नेचुरल साइट्स घोषित किया गया था, जिसमें पहला आता है कांजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, दूसरा है केवलादेव नेशनल पार्क एंड तीसरा है मानस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी. 7th साइट इज कांजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. दिस इज होम टू द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडियन वन हॉर्न rhinoceros. Also, rich biodiversity with a tiger, elephant, wild buffaloes and swamp deer. Features grassland, wetland and dense forest along the Brahmaputra river. 8th site is Kevladev National Park, a wetland and bird sanctuary formerly known as the Brahmaputra Bird Sanctuary. Hosts over 370 bird species, including a Siberian crane and painted stork. This also features man-made wetlands, grassland and woodlands, a vital migratory birds habitat and Ramsar wetland sites. 9th and last site for 1985 is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. This is a Project Tiger Reserve, Elephant Reserve and Biosphere Reserve, home to the rare species like Assam roof turtle, golden langur and the pygmy hog. This also features grassland, tropical forest, a crucial site for biodiversity conservation and ecotourism. In year 1986 में इंडिया में टोटल 4 साइट को सिलेक्ट किया गया था. फर्स्ट वन इज अ खजुराहो ग्रुप ऑफ मोन्यूमेंट्स, सेकंड वन इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ मोन्यूमेंट एट हम्पी, थर्ड वन इज अ फतेहपुर सीकरी लोकेटेड इन उत्तर प्रदेश, एंड लास्ट वन इज अ चर्च एंड कॉन्वेंट्स ऑफ गोवा. Nth site is Khajuraho group of monument built between 9th to 12th centuries by Chandela dynasty. These temples are famous for intricate erotic sculptures and Nagra style architecture. This also comprises Hindu and Jain temple including Kandariya Mahadev temple and Lakshmana temple. These temples represent India's rich artistic, spiritual and cultural heritage. 11th site is group of monument at Hampi as a capital of Vijayanagara Empire. This features Virupaksha temple, Vitthal temple and iconic stone chariot. This also showcases Dravidian architecture, royal enclosure and Asian market style, a significant site reflecting Hindu mythology, culture and history. 12th site is Fatehpur Sikri located in Uttar Pradesh, built in 1571 by Mughal Emperor Akbar as his capital, showcases Mughal, Persian and Indian architectural style. This features Buland Darwaja, Jama Masjid, Panch Mahal and Diwan-e Khas, abundant due to the water scarcity but remains as a symbol of Akbar vision. 13th and last site for 1986 is Churches and Convents of Goa, built by the Portuguese. This also showcases Baroque, Manueline and Gothic architectural style, includes Bom Jesus Basilica and Cathedral and churches of St. Francis Assisi, represent Goa colonial heritage and Christian religious influence. 14th site Sundarban National Park, selected in 1987. This is the world's largest mangrove forest spanning India and Bangladesh. Home to the Royal Bengal tigers, saltwater crocodile and diverse wildlife. This also features dense tidal forest, riverine islands and sanctuaries, a crucial biosphere reserve and Ramsar wetland for conservation in India. In year 1987, there are three cultural heritage sites. First one is a Great Living Chola Temple, second one is a group of monument at Pattadakal and last one is the Elephanta Caves. 15th site is Great Living Chola Temple located in Tamil Nadu. These temples are built by the Chola dynasty between 11th to 12th century. Also includes Brihadeshwara Temple, Tanjavur, Gangaikonda Cholapuram Temple and Eravateshwara Temple. This temple showcases Dravidian architecture, towering vimana and intricate sculptures in architecture style. 16th site is group of monument at Pattadakal, built during the 7th to 8th century by Chalukya dynasty. Showcases a blend of Dravidian and Nagra architectural style. Features temples like Virupaksha temple, Kashi Vishwanath temple and Malik Arjuna temple, a significant center of early temple architecture and Chalukya heritage. 70th site is Elephanta Cave, dating back to the 5th to 7th century, showcasing rock-cut caves architecture in India. This cave features Hindu and Buddhist cave with intricate sculptures and home to the iconic 20-foot Trimurti sculpture of Lord Shiva in a cave. This also represents India's rich artistic and religious heritage. In year 1988, only one site is selected, that is Nanda Devi and Valley of Flower. This is a natural World Heritage Site in India, comprises Nanda Devi National Park and Valley of Flower National Park, home to the rare flora and fauna including snow leopard and blue poppies. This is also known for its biodiversity hotspot and trekking destination. In the year 1989, only one site is selected, that is Buddhist monument at Sachi, built in 3rd century BCE by the Emperor Ashoka, features great stupa, monastery temples and carved gateways that is known as the Toranas, represent early Buddhist art, architecture and symbolism, a major Buddhist site showcasing Indian ancient heritage. In the year 1993, only two sites are selected. First one is the Humayun Tomb and second one is the Qutub Minar. Both are located in Delhi. Site number 20 is Humayun's Tomb, located in Delhi, built in 1570 by Empress Beka Begum for Mughal Emperor Humayun. This is the first garden tomb in India, inspiring the Taj Mahal. Also showcase Persian and Mughal architecture style in their architecture building. Features Char Bagh garden, red sandstone and intricate marble inlays in architecture. Site number 21 is Qutub Minar, that is located in Delhi. Built in 1193 by Qutbuddin Aibak, later expanded by the successor. This is the tallest brick minaret in the world at 72.5 meter height. Features intricate Indo-Islamic architecture with Quranic inscription in architecture. part of the Qutub complex including the Iron Pillar and Alai Darwaja. In the year 1993, only one site is selected, that is Mountain Railway of India. This includes Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway and Kalka Shimla Railway. These are built during the 19th and early 20th centuries, also showcasing engineering marvels with the steep gradient tunnels and bridges. This represents India's colonial era railway heritage and scenic mountain travels. In the year 2002, only one site is selected, that is Mahabodhi Temple Complex, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Marks the site where Gautam Buddha has enlightenment. This structure is originally built by the Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century BCE, later expanded by the others. Main features are Mahabodhi Temple, Bodhi tree and Vajra Asana, diamond throne. Also a major Buddhist pilgrimage center with rich spiritual and architectural heritage. In the year 2003, only one site is selected, that is rock shelters of Bhimbetka, located in Madhya Pradesh. These are prehistoric rock shelters and caves painting dating back to the Mesolithic era. Features over 700 rock shelters with the depiction of early human life, showcase ancient art, hunting scenes and dance form also. Even provides insight into early human settlement and culture evolution. In the year 2004, two sites are selected. First one is the Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park, that is located in Gujarat, and second one is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai. Site number 25 is Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park, located in Gujarat. Features pre-Mughal Islamic, Hindu and Jain architecture. Includes fortification, palace, mosque, stepwell and temples. This is the place home to the famous Kalika Mata temple on the Pavagadh hill, represent a blend of cultural, religious and historical significance in India. Site number 26 is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai, built in 1887, designed by Frederick William Stephen. Showcase Victorian Gothic revival architecture with Indian influences. Also features Orient Dome, stained glass and carvings. This is a major railway hub symbolizing Mumbai colonial heritage. In the year 2007, only one site is selected, that is Red Fort Complex, Delhi. Built in 1648 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, features massive red sandstone wall, palace and gardens. Notable structure includes Lahori Gate, Diwani Am and Diwani Khas, also symbolize a Mughal grandeur. In the year 2010, only one site is selected, that is Jantar Mantar, located at Jaipur, Rajasthan. Built in the 18th century by Maharaja Savai Jain Singh II, features a 9-giant astronomical instrument for observation, include the world's largest stone sundial. This also demonstrates Indians' advanced scientific and astronomical heritage. In the year 2012, only one natural site is selected, that is Western Ghat, spanning 6 Indian states, rich in biodiversity that influences monsoon and regulate climate, home to the lush forest and major rivers, crucial for Indians' ecology and conservation efforts. In the year 2013, in the year 2003, hill forts of Rajasthan is selected, that includes Chittorgarh, Kumbhargarh, Ranthambore, Gakhron, Amber and Jaisalmer forts. These all have defensive wall and strategic hill location. Also features palaces, temple, stepwell and water harvesting system. This represents Rajasthan warrior history, culture and architectural grandeur. In the year 2014, selected site is Great Himalayan National Park, that covers 1171 square kilometers of protected area. Also home to diverse flora and fauna including snow leopard and musk deer. These preserves Himalayan biodiversity and local eco-cultural heritage. In the year 2014, only one site is selected, that is Rani Ki Vaad, located in Gujarat. This is 11th century step well built by the Queen Udaymati. Also showcase Maru Gurjar architecture and advanced water management system in architecture. Features 711 with over 500 intricate sculptures of Hindu deities. In the year 2016, 3 sites are selected, जिसमें पहला आता है कांचनजंगा नेशनल पार्क located in Sikkim. Second one is the Le Corbusier World that consists of some buildings such as Cabinet Complex of Chandigarh, and third one is the Nalanda University located in Bihar. Site number 33 is Kanchenjunga National Park that covers 1784 square kilometer, home to the Mount Kanchenjunga. This rich in biodiversity featuring red pandas, snow leopards and glaciers also preserves Sikkim cultural heritage. Site number 34 is Le Corbusier's work in Chandigarh that includes Secretariat Building, High Court Building and Legislative Assembly. Also showcase brutalist architecture with geometrical form. Features open-hand monument and sun-shading brise soleil that represent modernist principle and Indian most independent identity. Site number 35 is Nalanda University that also called Khandar located in Bihar. Dates back to the 5th century, once a renowned Buddhist learning center, features monastery, stupas, library with intricate brickwork. Also symbolize ancient Indian scholarly excellence, attracted students from the China, Korea and Central Asia. इन द ईयर 2017 साइट की जगह डायरेक्ट सिटी को सिलेक्ट किया गया था, जो कि इंडिया का सबसे पहला सिटी कहलाया एज अ यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट, दैट इज़ अहमदाबाद. दिस सिटी शोकेस इंडो इस्लामिक एंड हिंदू आर्किटेक्चर, फीचर्स बांद्रा फोर्ट, जामा मस्जिद एंड पोल हाउसेस, प्रिजर्व स्टेपवेल, हवेलीज एंड मार्केट अलॉन्ग द साबरमती रिवर. In the year 2018, only one site is selected, that is Victorian Gothic and Art Deco Ensemble of Mumbai. This is a blend of 19th century Gothic revival and 20th century Art Deco architecture in India. Features intricate facade, decorative stonework and geometrical pattern in architecture. Showcase Mumbai colonial and modernist architecture heritage. In the year 2019, only one site is selected, that is Pink City, Jaipur. इस ईयर में जयपुर सिटी को ही वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट घोषित कर दिया गया था. दैट फीचर्स सिटी प्लानिंग एंड पिंक ह्यूड बिल्डिंग इन Jaipur. Also home to the city palace, Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal, showcase a blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture, also designed with grid-like street layout reflecting historical and cultural significance in India. In the year 2021, two sites are selected, that is Dholavira and Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple. Site number 39 is Dholavira, an ancient Harappan city for advanced urban planning. Also features an impressive water management system with reservoir and drainage. Includes a fortified citadel, vast lower town and inscribed stone tablets. This provides valuable insights into early urban civilization in India. Site number 40 is Kakatiya Rudreshwara Temple, also known as the Ramappa Temple, known for intricate carving and red sandstone construction. Also features floating brick, vibrant sculptures and star-shaped plan. Even showcase exceptional architecture, innovation and craftsmanship, a testament for Kakatiya dynasty engineering excellence. If you want to see detailed video on this, you can इस टेम्पल के बारे में और अधिक जानना है तो राइट टॉप कॉर्नर में वीडियो लिंक आ रहा है, उस पर क्लिक करके डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं. इन द ईयर 2023, टू साइट्स आर सेलेक्टेड. फर्स्ट वन इज द शांति निकेतन, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड सेकंड वन इज द होयसला टेम्पल ऑफ कर्नाटका. Site number 41 is Shanti Niketan, located in West Bengal, founded by the Rabindranath Tagore as a center for cultural and education. This is a home to Vishwa Bharati University with open air classroom, features unique architectural element in natural setting. Site number 42 is Hoysala Temples of Karnataka, built between the 11th to 13th century by the Hoysala dynasty, also known for intricate sculpture art and unique star-shaped bases. Notable temples include Chennakeshwara Temple and Hoysaleshwara Temple. In the year 2024, only one site is selected, that is Moiram, located in Assam. These are the royal burial mounds of Ahom dynasty, blend of Thai Ahom and Hindu architecture style. Symbolize the Ahom ruler spiritual beliefs and cultural heritage, reflect the historical legacy and influence of the Ahom dynasty. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update. See you in the next video. Stay creative and keep exploring architecture.